You think success is luck, reserved for the gifted, for the born rich. Meet Charlie Munger. He said the safest way to get what you want is to deserve what you want. And he didn't just say it, he lived it. With that mindset, he helped turn a tiny fund with Warren Buffett into Berkshire Hathaway, a company worth more than $700 billion. In this video, you'll learn about that mindset in less than 3 minutes. Not complicated, not abstract, just simple ideas that cut through the noise. Ideas you can actually use. Charlie grew up in Omaha. As a teen, he worked at Warren Buffett's grandfather's grocery store, though he and Warren didn't know each other yet. During World War II, he dropped out of college to join the Army Air Corps. Charlie wasn't some math genius or prodigy. In fact, Harvard Law first rejected him because he didn't have a bachelor's degree. But he persisted. With help from a family friend, he finally got admitted, and he graduated magna cum laude. But law alone couldn't satisfy his curiosity, so he set out to build something bigger, a latticework of knowledge that powered his success in investing. Not every theory, not every subject, only the essentials. Biology's survival incentives, psychology's tricks and biases, economics' iron laws of supply and demand, physics' core rules, how things move, and how energy is conserved. Master a few fundamentals, he said. Skip the fancy decorations. Bolt them together. And you've got a toolbox that never rusts. A superpower for big success. Here's how his toolbox guided his investing decisions. Instead of chasing every hot trend, Charlie only invested in what he truly understood. Patient for the real edge. Focused on the rare chances worth betting big. But the real big money, he said, did not come from buying or selling. It came from waiting. After making the right bet, you wait, and compounding does its job, turning small wins into big victories. But Charlie's success wasn't just about numbers. It was also about what he avoided, and who he loved. He avoided debt. He avoided envy and self-pity. He avoided people who broke their word, and he avoided the arrogance of being too sure. But he loved deeply his family, his friends. This is how Charlie Munger really lived, to become the kind of person who deserved what he wanted. And this is how you can start. Build your own latticework of knowledge. Let compounding work for you, and one day, you too will become the person who deserves what you want.